Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are continuing on MiG-29 Pack 3. This is number 14. One more for the pack. In this one, we're continuing to put in frame inside here. There is a mistake in the instructions, and I'll go through that as we're going on. First one we want is this one. Now, this does go directional because of this part right here. It actually needs to go in here to where it actually, like right here, where this can actually go in. See, this is the wrong way. Put it in this way, it actually fits because it goes in because of that corner. These are put in by CM screws. Now, in the instructions, it says DM. It is not DM. DMs are actually longer. So these are the CM screws are the ones that fits into this one. DM is the one it will be fitting in the other one because that's a longer hole for it to screw into. All right. Both those are in. Now, this is the last one. This one has another point here at the end, which will go in this way. Like this. Now, if you see, this is a longer peg for the screw to go in. So this and the DM screws, I don't know if you can see or not, but the DM screws are actually longer than what the CM screws are. And besides, it counts for 4 screws and you only get 3 of each. So all right, everyone. That is the end of this issue. Man, this thing is gorgeous. I will see you in the next episode. If you haven't, please subscribe and like, and stay safe out there, people. And I will see you in the next episode.